Hi, and thank you for visiting EMPIRESECURITYCAMERAS.com. My name is Kyle, and I'm here to show you our brand new model, ESC1-WDR2. This is a 700 TVL real-time WDR camera. It's a bullet-style camera with 72 infrared LEDs and a 2.8 to 12mm varifocal lens. This is a brand new box, and I'm going to show you what's inside. Inside the box, you get the instruction manual. You also get the toolkit. For this model includes the driving anchor, screws, and Allen key, and you also get the camera. This is a cast aluminum housing that's IP66 rated for outdoor use. On the top of the camera there is a sun shield. On the front there are 72 infrared LEDs with a 2.8 to 12mm lens in the center. On the bottom there are the two adjustment knobs for zoom and focus. On the back, you have the 3-axis tilt and swivel bracket, as well as the mounting bracket, which has 4 mounting holes, as well as a cutout in it to allow the wire to pass through when you're flush mounting this camera. What I'm going to do next is hook this up to our test equipment and go through some of the on-screen display settings. Some of the equipment we're going to use is going to be a Dahua 960H DVR, as well as an Empire Security Cameras PVD. Power video balun. This will allow you to run the powered video over a single Cat5 Ethernet wire. So the first thing I'm going to do is hook up a Ethernet wire with the RJ45 already terminated at the end. This will plug right into the RJ45 jack on our PVD. Should just snap in. And on the other side we're going to use a Empire Security Cameras video balun with RJ45 on it as well. This should just snap in. So once this is connected, this will convert the Cat5 to DC and BNC, which will match up with the camera, which has BNC for video and DC for power. So now we should start to see an image. The on-screen display will pop up, and then we'll start to see a picture. So the on-screen display that we're using for this camera, we've been using on our WDR cameras for the last couple of years. It's very easily laid out, and you can find things in a hurry. So let's go through some of the on-screen display options on this camera. The on-screen display is located on the pigtail next to the BNC and DC connections. So let's get this taken out here. Okay, so now you can see the on-screen display options here. I'm going to zoom in on the screen so we can look at these options in more detail. From top to bottom we have camera name, lens, exposure control, day-night settings, WDR, wide dynamic range, BLC and eclipse settings, white balance, 3D noise reduction. There is also 2 submenus, effects and special. In the effects menu you have the ability to zoom digitally, so you can actually go into here, and after the camera has been zoomed you can go in and zoom using the digital zoom on the camera up to about 3 times digital zoom. You can also do a digital pan and tilt, which will move the picture up or down or left or right. You also have the option for image freeze, contrast, sharpness, color adjustment. That's in the effects menu. In the special menu you have motion detection, privacy mask, language, stabilizer, monitor, camera sync, monitor type, and factory reset. Also in the special menu is the communication settings for the RS-45. This camera does have RS-45 control, so you can actually go through this menu using RS-45 from your DVR. You would set the protocol, camera ID, baud rate right from this menu. So you can use the RS-45 on your DVR and configure this menu remotely, which is a nice feature when the camera is already mounted. So let's go back into probably the number 1 feature for this camera is the WDR. I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see this effect. To do that, I'm going to use the zoom and focus on the bottom of the camera here. There we go. Alright, so right now the WDR is off. You can see the inside of our office is very dark, and the outside is very bright. It's overexposing the sun outside. Very dark, very bright. That's very typical of cameras that don't have WDR. I'm going to turn the WDR on, and we'll see the difference. There we go. And now it brightens up the inside, we can see outside. I'll actually zoom outside so to give you a better idea. We're actually, the camera's inside right now, and we're shooting out the door. So now you can see we can make out everything that's outside using the WDR setting. So that's a brief overview of this particular model. It's the ESC1-WDR2. You can find us in our catalog online, Amazon, eBay. You could also give us a call. Our phone number is 914-338-8639. You can email us at EMPIRESECURITYCAMERAS@gmail.com. You can also view our website, which is available at EMPIRESECURITYCAMERAS.com. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us. And thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day.